Now we will understand how attention actually work by using real examples. Okay, let's take one simple sentence. For example, I love programming in Python. Okay, when human read this sentence, I love programming in Python. Okay, so we will automatically understand the relationship between these words. Okay, but machine does not understand the language like human do. Now we are going to move here what attention does. Okay, self attention help the model answer very basic question. Okay, basic question like who is speaking. So I took this example previously. I love programming in Python. Okay, so I is the speaker. Okay, who is speaking? I stand for speaker here. Okay, and what is the action? Love. Love is the action. Okay, and what is the activity? Programming is the main activity. Okay, and what is the tool? So Python is the tool. Okay, who is speaking? I is the speaker. What is the action? Love. Love is the action. What is the activity? Programming is the activity. Okay, and what is the tool? Python is the tool. I use this example. Okay, so self attention help the model answer very basic questions. Okay, and attention help model connect these relationship mathematically. Attention assign importance score between the words. Attention assign importance score between the words. Okay, so each word look at other words and decide how important they are for understanding the meaning. Okay, this importance is stored as an attention score. For example, here, okay, so this is the example translation example. Okay, English to French. So here you can see I love programming in Python. Okay, and I'm going to translate this into this JM programming in Python. JM programmer in Python. Okay, so during the translation, model learn that Python should remain the same. Okay, during the translation, model learn that Python should remain the same. I it also learned that I love this line. I love first word I love should become jam. Okay, here you can see I love should become jam. Okay, and this happened because attention highlights which word matter together. Now we are going to talk about what we have inside the transformer. Okay, so this is the basic flow. Okay, first of all I need to take one text as an input, then we need to do tokens. We need to convert text into a tokens, and after that we need to do it is embedding. Okay, after embedding we do need to do positional embedding. Okay, after this attention and connect with the encoder, decoder and output. Okay, so this is the entire transformer pipeline. Okay, text goes in and output comes out. Okay, so everything in between is just a mathematical processing. Okay, so here you can see this is our another diagram. Okay, this is in horizontal, or you can write like this in vertical: text, tokens, embedding, self attention, encoder, decoder and output. Okay, so first of all I need to take text. Okay, that is I love programming in Python. Okay, this is the text. Okay, and after this I need to do tokens. I need to do tokenization. Okay, I need to convert text into a tokens. Okay, so what is the tokens? Okay, so first stage is the tokenization. Okay, so the sentence is broke. This sentence is going to break into smaller piece. Okay, that is called a tokens. Okay, here you can see this sentence broke into a smaller piece called the tokenization. Okay, here you can see I, comma, love, comma, programming, comma, in, comma, Python. Okay, so this sentence broken into a smaller piece, that is called the tokenization. Okay, so this is first step, we need to do tokenization. Okay, and after this we need to do embedding. Okay, after tokenization, here you can see after tokenization we need to do embedding. Okay, so here in embedding, what I'm going to do, in embedding, each token is converted into a numeric number. Each token is converted into a numbers. Okay, here you can see I convert into a 0.21 comma 0.88 comma 0.03. Okay, similar, we need to convert love in vectors. Okay, and Python also convert into a different vectors. Okay, so here you can see each token is converted into a numeric form, that is called the vectors. Okay, and these processes are called the embedding. These number are called the embeddings. Okay, the model never sees the word, it only sees the number. Okay, meaning is stored the mathematically. Okay, so this is called the embedding, and this is the tokenization. Each word is stored in a each sentence is broken into a smaller piece, it is called the tokens. Okay, I already said that model cannot read the sentence, it only understand the tokens. Okay, here similar, I'm going to say embedding. Okay, embedding is just a number, or you can say we need to convert text into a numeric format, that is vector, that is called the embedding. Okay, or you can say model never sees the word, they only sees the number. Okay, after this I'm going to move here positional encoding. Okay, so what does it mean? Transformer read all the word at the same time. Okay, here you can see oh, no, here you can see transformer read all the word same time. Here transformer read all the words at the same time, so they need help understanding the word order. Okay, transformer read the word at the same time, so they need help understanding the word order. Okay, positional encoding tell the model which word come first, second, and so on. Okay, so here we can see positional encoding means we give position for I at the position of 1. Okay, and love at the position 2. Okay, and programming, what is the position of the programming? 3. And position of in, that is 4. And position of Python, that is 5. Okay, that transformer read all the word at the same time. Okay, so they they understand the word order. Okay, so positional encoding means transformer understand the order of the word. Okay, and after positional encoding we move here self attention. Okay, so here you can see in self attention means here in this self attention means bird look at other birds. Okay, self attention means bird look at other birds. Okay, the word love, here you can see love focus more on programming. Here love focus more on programming. Okay, and programming, here you can see love more focus on programming and Python. Okay, this is how context is built. Okay, this is not a understanding, this is the baited math. Okay, now we move here encoder and decoder. Love. Okay, so here after self attention we move here in encoder and decoder. Okay, so I already show you diagram, but here I'm just going to explain again. Encoder understand the input and decoder generate the output. Encoder understand the sentence and decoder generate the translation. Okay, together they form the transformer, these two. Okay, encoder and decoder. Okay guys, and after this, I got our output here. Okay, so this is the basic pipeline, or you can say pipeline or architecture of transformer inside the what we have inside the transformer. Okay, so this is the pipeline of transformer. Okay, text. First of all, you need to take one text and need to do tokenization and need to do embedding. After embedding, you need to do positional encoding. Okay, after this we need to do self attention. Okay, after this we have encoder, decoders, and finally we got our output. Okay, so this is the basic pipelines of transformer: text, token, embedding, positional encoding, attention, and encoder, decoder, and output. Okay, first of all you need to take one text, and then you need to do tokenization. After tokenization you need to do embedding are converted text into a numeric format, that is vectors. Okay, that is called the embedding. Positional encoder. Okay, so after this we need to do attention, self attention, and after this we have encoder and decoder. Okay, now we can see real life benefits. Okay, fast training process every I mean transformer process everything in parallel. Okay, so training should be fast. Okay, fast training, and it will give you better accuracy, scale to large models. Okay, so that's why they are faster, and that's why model like GPT exist. Okay, so GPT use transformer, better training, better accuracy, scale to large models. I hope you got it. Now we are going to talk about real application of transformer, or you can say transformer in real life. Okay, so this is why transformer are everywhere today. Chatbot like ChatGPT use transformer. Okay, chatbot like ChatGPT use transformer to understand and generate response. Okay, they are also use summarize. Okay, they are also use summarize long documents, and even to generate captioning for images. Now we can see here myth break. Attention is not equals to understanding. Then what is the attention? If it is not understanding, then what? What attention really is? Attention is just a weighted math. Okay, it calculates similarity score between the tokens. Okay, the model does not think, it does not understand meaning. It does not understand meaning. It only learn pattern from large amount of data. This is why hallucination happen. The model may sound confident but still produce incorrect answer. Attention cannot verify truth. It only predict what look like. It only predict what looks like. Transformer is not equals to reasoning engine. Okay, first point is pattern matching. Transformer are excellent pattern matcher. Okay, second point is not logic, means they do not perform logic. Okay, and third point is not critical thinking. They do not do critical thinking. Always remember this when using GPT like models.